For the recovery, or the post-disaster operation, they are divided to 3 teams: damage assessment or needs analysis, rehabilitation and recovery team, and the retrieval operation. There are 7 purposes listed down for the damage assessment team: to list down the number of casualties and their gender and age, and to list down the number of affected families or households and injured persons that need immediate attention and medical services. They are the ones to report public information and analyze immediate needs at the evacuation center. They submit lists of affected families to the relief team and list of injured to the emergency medical service team. They also need to submit reports of update to the headquarters every 3 hours. The rehabilitation and recovery team are assigned to investigate or survey extent of damage, assessment as to properties, infrastructure, and inventory, and submit reports to incident commander. To do these, they are to have police visibility at the site, as their goal is to rehabilitate, recover, repair damaged properties after the occurrence of the calamity. The retrieval operation team are to find or retrieve missing persons or bodies, and to find important properties as reported missing, and they are to coordinate with all the team